Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The reclining camp chair by Picnic Time is no ordinary camp chair. It features 3 reclining seating positions, adjustable armrests, an insulated portable beverage holder, a large zippered storage pocket on the backrest, and a matching storage tote with a shoulder strap. It has a folding steel frame that can hold up to 300 pounds, and a comfortably padded seat and backrest covered in durable polyester canvas. The reclining camp chair is great as a spectator chair at sporting events or for outdoor activities such as lounging by the lake or beach, camping and fishing.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.